I'm Jim Rentz. I'm the senior chaplain here at Louisiana State Penitentiary at Angola. This has been a wonderful day. We've had a dedication of our chapel. Franklin Graham's been here to officiate and be honored as the one who spoke to us. Personally, these men were needing some chapel here for years, and every camp we have here had a chapel, but except Camp F. And now Camp F has its chapel. And I just wish you could see the men who worship here, what this means to them to be able to have a place to worship, a place set aside. They don't feel like they're in prison. They feel like they're in a sanctuary. There's no wire, there's no walls. They can just feel like they're free, and they are, because Jesus has made them free.
By faith, I declare that many souls will be saved in this place. Many will be redeemed in this house. We will worship God.
And when Franklin Graham was here 2 years ago, he agreed to help us build this chapel. And this day has been such an eventful day for us. But my eventful day was more impressed by the faces of the men who came. And you could see that this is our chapel. And we were forgotten by society, by and large, but you have been so kind to build us a place of worship.
May it be a facility that will be able to present the gospel to many hundreds of men here in Angola.
Showing the world that we are important. That's the personal thing that just touches me. I just can't tell you in words what it means to me to be involved here and to be involved with these precious men. 147 ministers and 465 church services a month. And these chapels are such a blessing. And now Camp F has their chapel. That's God. That's just God.